So in the previous session, what we have covered, so we have trained the Word2Vec model or Word2Vec embedding with the handwritten text corpora, just similar to like this. So in this session, what we are going to do, we are going to train this Word2Vec with a large text corpus, which is readily available in the Wikipedia. So this is a Wikipedia cleaned text which is compressed into 100 MB. So and I am going to pass that like Word to pass that to Word2Vec in order to train it. So for that, I'm going to import that Word2Vec.text8 corpus directly, and I'm going to store it in the variable sentences. And you can just also see that Genesa model.Word2Vec.text corpus. So it is already available in that Word2Vec module. So I have just imported that. Now I'm going to initialize the model with a Word2Vec, and we are going to pass that entire set of sentences to this model. So the same method we have already done to handwritten text corpus, what we have already done here. So here we can see model equals to Word2Vec, and I have passed the entire set of text tokens which I have generated. So in the similar fashion, I'm going to do this here as well. So now it's time to check the performance or the learnings of the Word2Vec. So for that, what I'm going to do in the similar fashion where I just pass the word faculty, and now I'm just going to pass a word happiness. So based on the text corpus which it has learned, it could able to produce this as a output, right? So you could see it has almost predicted a equivalent or sensible words which would appear in and around or the neighboring words of these words happiness, right? So generally in a text corpus or in a sentences where this happiness would have occurred, these words have occurred on the beside or after. So humanity, goodness, compassion, perfection, etc. So this shows that it could able to learn those relationship, or it could able to predict the context terms or the neighboring terms for the word happiness. Let's just check with another word as well. So I have just passed the word queen for this same model. Then you could just see it has predicted these top words. See, it has predicted that queen as Elizabeth. Like generally in the text corpora where it has trained that this Wikipedia data. So in that context, so it could able to learn that this queen word has appeared after or before these words like Elizabeth, princess, prince or king, etc. So this is how the training of the Word2Vec has happened. Now what we will do, we can also test it out with a similar approach, or some like we can have a experimentation on this as well. You can, as you just hover on this method like most similar, you could just see we can just pass two other variables like positive and negative. So what it will do, it will just check the negative scenarios and the positive scenarios where this word the past word is appearing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to fetch out the positive scenarios for the word woman and king, and I am negativing out the word man. So what I'm trying to do, I'm going to pass this word woman along with this word king, but I'm excluding those cases or the context where it is for man. So then I could clearly see that it has like able to detect that word woman and the king as like we are trying to refer it as a queen basically, right? So what I am trying to do is a woman plus king, but it's not a man. Then it should be a queen, right, or a empress. So that's what the Word2Vec has able to identify it in a perfect manner. You can also do that with another example as well. So I am just passing woman along with the hero, and I am negating out or subtracting the context of man. So what I am trying to do, I am trying to fetch the output as a heroine basically, right? So I am passing woman and hero, but I am trying to negate out with man. So here you could see you can just get these words like heroine as a top result for the word woman minus the man as a hero as a context. So this is one of the other aspects of the Word2Vec embeddings.